Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. This is part 2 of our Graphic 45 Love Notes Folio tutorial. It is a basic construction tutorial and it is a part of a larger project that I will be revealing in the days to come. Now for this folio mini album, we'll be using the Love Notes collection by Graphic 45 along with the black square tags and the square tag die. And I will leave a detailed supply list in the area underneath this video. We'll be creating a waterfall feature with our Graphic 45 black square tags, and we're going to use the square tag die to cut 5 pieces of our Love Notes collection paper to make the inserts. We now use our scoring board to score 1/2 inch from the end of our black square tags. Once that part is complete, we then move on to folding along the edges using our bone folder. Next, we take our inserts and we trim 1/2 inch off from the bottom. We use our Graphic 45 ink to ink around the edges, and the color that I'm using throughout this project is called Photogenic. And with some wet glue, we apply our inserts to our Graphic 45 square tags. So I decided that I wanted to make my waterfall off-centered a little bit, and in doing so I have a bit of a gap on the side. So what you're seeing me do here is I'm just using the Graphic 45 Love Notes paper from the 8x8 paper pad, and as a background, I'm also using one of the sheets from the 12x12 paper pack to make a side embellishment. But I'm not going to glue my piece down yet. I'm just going to lay it on the side to see how I need to structure my waterfall. So now I'm going to speed up the video a little bit so that you can see the remainder of the process.